Hey there, what's up? Hope all are doing great. Welcome back to our channel. It's Shumananur, and in today's video we are gonna talk about Emirates cabin crew requirements. So those who are interested in today's video, just keep watching. There are a few qualities which will make you stand out. Namely, you will be confident, flexible, friendly, and very keen to help others. Here are the other things Emirates look for in their candidates. Number 1, at least 21 years of age at the time of joining. Number 2, arms reach 212 cm while standing on tiptoes. Number 3, minimum height 160 cm. Number 4, high school graduate, which means grade 12 pass. And number 5, fluency in English, both spoken and written. Number 6, no visible tattoos while you are in Emirates cabin crew uniform. And point to be noted is cosmetics and bandage coverage aren't allowed. Okay. And number 7 is can adapt to new people, new places, and new situations. Number 8, physically fit for this demanding role with a healthy BMI, which means body mass index. These are the characteristics which they look for when you meet them at an assessment day. So be prepared to demonstrate these qualities individually, and wish you all the best. Bye bye.